Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to make the ground chicken and broccoli slaw for egg roll in a bowl. I used farro, but feel free to use another grain in replacement. First, it's important to practice food safety and wash your hands. This food demo is for one serving, so you're going to transfer 1/4 of your 1 pound of meat into a skillet over medium to high heat. Then you're going to brown your meat for about 10 minutes and season with garlic powder and onion powder to taste. I chose ground chicken in this recipe because it's a leaner meat and has less fat, but you're welcome to choose ground beef or ground pork as well. Now I'm going to be adding 1 cup of slaw. I chose broccoli slaw from Trader Joe's, but cabbage slaw works as well, and it's readily available in most grocery stores. As for the soy sauce I used, I added about 1.5 tablespoons. I used a teaspoon because that's all I had available, or you could do it to taste. I also used a lower sodium soy sauce to reduce my sodium intake. Continue to brown the meat and slaw for about 5 to 10 minutes or until fully cooked. Add your grain as a base and then top with meat and slaw and enjoy.